Good evening, folks. We're live at 9:02 p.m. battling for Phil's complete Jawa and R2 sensor scope. We got 10 spots that I'm going to copy and take over to random to find our winner. Paste them in there. There they are, 1 through 10. Going to roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5. We got a 6er, so we're good to go. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Gary takes round 1. Carl round 2. Gary again on top in round 3. Robert round 4. Gary again on top in round 5. And our winner is Robert Gilmore in at number 6 in round 6. Congratulations, Robert. XTJLQM. Robert Gilmore at number 6 is the champ. The Tatooine Kidnap battle. Which means I'm done just as the clock turns to 9:03 p.m. There she blows. Again, here's the winner. Robert in at number 6 is the winner. Congratulations. We'll see you next time, guys. Thanks.